The Cheerdots 2 is an innovative all-in-one wireless device designed for professionals and multitaskers. It functions as a computer mouse, touchpad, presentation laser pointer, and recording tool. Key features include multifunctionality, acts as a traditional mouse, a touchpad, and a presentation tool with laser pointer capabilities, highlighting areas with darkened backgrounds or a colored spotlight. Includes voice recording, transcription, and summarization powered by ChatGPT for efficient meeting notes. AI integration. ChatGPT provides transcription and summarization services, enhancing productivity during presentations or note-taking. It can also adjust presentations dynamically based on the speaker's pace or audience interaction. Design and battery. Lightweight, 70G, ergonomic, and portable with a modular magnetic design. Supports USB-C charging with a battery life of up to 20 days on a single charge. Connectivity. Quick Bluetooth pairing ensures compatibility across devices. Pricing. The basic version starts at $44, with an advanced model, featuring voice transcription, priced at $69. A subscription for advanced ChatGPT features costs $39 annually. This versatile device is ideal for professionals managing presentations, meetings, or regular computer tasks on the go.